Hi, hello, welcome to Reclaim Your Peace with Nature, my weekly Instagram Live. I'm Stephanie Lindloff, eco-intuitive coach and teacher, and I help women who are busy and anxious perfectionists. I help you reclaim the peace that you hold within and unlock that through a deeper connection with nature. And today I am so happy to be back here with you to share a simple practice. I love to share simple practices. If you have followed me, you know that that is something that I absolutely love to offer you because I know how challenging it can be to eke out, scrape out just a few minutes of your own time. So this is just a 15-minute or less opportunity each week for you to step into stillness and a sacred place. We have created a sacred container here for everyone who is called to this work to reclaim your peace and to do that in partnership with Mother Earth. So this week I am feeling guided to walk you through a simple guided inner journey that will help you unlock the peace that you hold within, and doing that in partnership with a special natural object or aspect of nature that is calling to you. Now, before we step into the guided inner journey, I just wanted to share with you a couple of thoughts on, first of all, the concept of being aware of your thinking, being aware of what you're experiencing, especially, hi, thanks for joining. Hi, Lauren. Being aware of your thinking and how nature allows you to access that with more ease. And when I say more ease, a lot of what I'm talking about is that nature really helps us observe ourselves and observe our thoughts without judgment. We can, evaluate and analyze our thoughts all day long, but a lot of times we do that from a place of criticism or self-judgment or self-doubt. And when we step into a sense of calm with nature and all of the amazing benefits that being in nature, being connected with nature, even from indoors, what that can provide us, it allows us to calm our nervous systems and observe ourselves, to observe how we're thinking and feeling. And so this practice that I'm sharing today is another way of accessing that place for yourself, because when I'm starting to envision this work as like a cycle that moves around, and it's not a linear cycle, but it really seems to encompass three elements: the element of self-kindness, the element of self-awareness, and the element of collective consciousness is the way that I'm thinking of it right now, meaning our inseparability with all things, especially with nature. So those three things woven together really lend themselves to strengthening our self-compassion. And boy, do we need more self-compassion in this world. We need compassion in all forms, but it really starts with compassion that we extend to ourselves. This is what helps us. It's really an essential part of stepping into a place of calm, especially when we're in a chaotic situation or a chaotic circumstance. To access that self-compassion is so important because it is like you're permitting yourself to acknowledge that it's hard, that what you're going through is hard, and that it's going to be okay. Self-compassion and self-love are so connected as well. So practicing accessing these places for ourselves really allows us to experience greater peace and calm in those moments that we most need it. So right now I invite you to take some nice deep cleansing breaths. And feel how you're resting so beautifully upon the earth in this moment. Whether you're indoors or outdoors, you are resting upon the earth. Acknowledge that you are connected to the earth, even if you're, 14 floors up in an office building. Know that your energy, you have these beautiful roots of light that extend from your physical body, and they are drawn to connect with Mother Earth. So imagine these roots of light extending from your physical body all the way into the earth. And just see how your roots are feeling drawn to go deep or wide. This is just self-awareness. There's no need to evaluate, no need to critique. Just experience your roots connecting with the earth. And here in this grounded place, allow your attention to focus on something natural that you are able to see in this moment, maybe even able to touch. It could be a stone that you have sitting upon your desk. It could be the wood of your table or hardwood floors, or you could be looking out a window and seeing the trees move and the clouds move, the flowers blooming, whatever, the birds flying, whatever your attention is drawn to right now. Allow your gaze to rest softly upon that aspect of nature. And for me, I'm going to be gazing upon this beautiful feather that I just found walking around our yard right before I came on. If you need something to gaze upon, you can use my feather. And as you are looking at this natural object, whatever it is for you, gazing upon this object, really see it. Use new eyes. Use your awareness as though you've never seen this particular object in your life, and just gaze upon it. There's no need to analyze it or describe it or identify it. Just gazing upon the object, the shape, the texture, how it moves, how it feels. And taking some more nice deep breaths, bring your palms to your heart center or just your awareness. And invite the presence of your beautiful soul. Your soul is always with you, of course, but consciously invite his or her presence with you. And imagine that this object, this aspect of nature, this spirit of nature holds a special message for you. A special message of love and kindness and peace. And know that the message may simply be the feeling that it generates within you. Know that this message may be quite simple. It may feel incredibly basic. Welcome it into your heart and into your knowing. And picture how this object, whatever it is that you are gazing upon, this beautiful aspect of nature, this spirit of nature, is offering you a key. This is a beautiful key. And it is meant to unlock the peace that you hold within you. Now, if that feels like a big thing to unlock, consider it a little mini compartment of peace. Consider that this beautiful spirit of nature is offering to unlock a bit of peace that you most need in this moment. And picture how that lock is sliding into that keyhole and opening up this place within your heart. It's expansive. It feels really good. It feels very calming, very loving, very spacious, very connected. And this aspect of nature, this beautiful nature spirit, is guiding all of this peace to just come right out of that compartment that has been holding peace for you. And picture how, as that top is taken off of that compartment, the peace is just flowing throughout your body, all the way through your body, from the top of your head to the tips of your fingertips, to the tips of your toes. And receive this peace as it fills your body. Breathing this in with nice deep breaths and feeling how it is allowing this peace to travel throughout your body, to pump throughout your body. It's connecting with your roots that are connected with the earth. It's connecting with your heart. It's connecting with your head. It's connecting with all parts of you. And this is a beautiful blessing from Mother Earth, a blessing of peace, a blessing of calm. And as you give thanks to this object for the peace that it has unlocked within you, know that this object, whatever it may be, is offering you the key to access that peace in a moment where peace feels difficult to access. It may be a moment with your children that's particularly challenging, or with your partner, or with another family member. It may be peace that you need to access in a moment at work or in your line of traffic, wherever you are. Whatever you are dealing with in a particular moment where it just feels like, I need peace, I need to experience calm. Remember this object that you are gazing upon. This is a symbol that you have unlocked, unleashed peace. And all you need to do is remember this aspect of nature, this beautiful gift that this nature spirit has offered to you. That is your connection with the peace that you hold within you. It sounds so simple, but it is a practice. I'm giving thanks to my beautiful feather. I want you to consider this as a very simple practice that you can do within this next week before we meet again here on Instagram next Tuesday at 2. Allow yourself to remember the power of this feeling of calm and peace that has been shared with you through nature, knowing that it doesn't come from outside of you, it comes from within you. And the more you draw upon this, especially in moments where it feels difficult to access peace and calm, you're just strengthening that muscle. You're strengthening your ability, your natural ability to access that peace in the moments that you most need it. So taking some more nice deep breaths, really allow this to integrate throughout your awareness. Welcome this key that is unlocked, this compartment. Picture this compartment within you. Maybe the box has just been completely dissolved into light and beauty at this point. There is no way to close this box back up and lock it again. It is open. It is open to you to receive the peace that you most need in the moments that will be most beneficial to you. I hope that you enjoyed this little guided inner journey. If this resonates for you, I encourage you to click the link in bio to check out some more resources that I have, including applying for a free breakthrough session with me, and lots of free resources as well. So if you are feeling called to experience more of this little bit of medicine that I'm offering you today, please do by clicking the link in bio. It was such a joy to be with you. I hope that this has unleashed some new peace and calm within your heart. And remember to call upon those aspects of nature that are offering you the greatest blessings and the greatest peace in this week ahead. Thank you so much for joining me. I will see you again soon. Bye-bye.